Let's switch gears and get over to Andrew here because, Andrew, the roads weren't as bad as we were worried about last night, but still a lot of folks saw up to, what, 5 inches of snow? Is that what we're talking about?
2 to 5 inches across the region. That was pretty common, Grant. You're absolutely right. And kudos to all the road crews out there who got a good handle on the snow. Thank goodness all this occurred over a weekend, right? That's what many folks were saying. And we still have some leftover snow showers. Now, these are lake effect snow flurries that are occurring everywhere from Casco Township and right here in Mount Clemens over into Oakland and Macomb counties, right here on the county line, in fact, in neighborhoods like Camel's Corner, down through Mount Vernon as well. A little bit farther south for Rochester Hills, Shelby Township, and just to the west of Utica. Sterling Heights and down to Warren also. Now, all of this is not heavy snow. That's some good news, but a few extra flakes keeping it slippery out there. And we need to watch out for refreezing on any roads because of how cold it gets tonight. Also, make sure those furnaces are working. Temperatures easily down to the middle, even low teens by tomorrow morning. Temperatures down between 12 and 16 degrees here in the metro zone. South of I-94 in our south zone, anywhere from 10 in Onstead to 13 in Dundee. West of 275, same sort of deal. Grab an extra blanket if you're in Howell with an overnight low near 11. Some snuggle weather and bring the pets indoors from Yale over to Imlay City with temperatures in the middle and low teens as well by dawn on your Monday. But it will be drier. The flurries that we're seeing now, they'll clear up. In fact, we're seeing mostly clear skies with 20 degrees over at Metro Airport. Look at the snow totals for this past weekend so far. 2.7 inches officially over at Metro Airport, but over 4 inches in Pinckney. Wixom over 3.5 inches. Ypsilanti nearly 2.5 inches. Elba over in Lapeer County, 4.5 inches. 2 inches over in Lexington, which is in Sanilac County. And you'll notice once it gets colder tonight, 1 pound of salt, for example, has less effect when it comes to melting. So try and sprinkle any sort of ice melt or rock salt earlier rather than later. With 30 degrees out, it can melt 46 pounds of rock salt, but you see that number goes down dramatically. So salt, bottom line, has less effectiveness once it gets colder. And we're experiencing those low temperatures right now and especially later on tonight. Currently, it's already 18 for our friends in Romeo, 16 in Howell, while it's 20 degrees over in Monroe. Again, it remains mostly dry, especially once we get past midnight, but it's also about how cold it feels. This wind of 6 to 12 miles per hour, making it already feel like it's in the single digits. And those wind chills remain in the single digits as we go through this evening and overnight into tomorrow morning. So if kids are going back to school, make sure they bundle up. It will feel like it's anywhere from 4 to 9 degrees at the bus stop and heading over to anywhere within southeast Michigan. So 12 degrees overnight, but with those lower wind chills and mostly clear skies. Sunrise is at 8:02 on your Monday. And we're looking at brilliant sunshine for tomorrow. Just mighty cold. Layer up for the morning and the afternoon with temperatures below average and staying below freezing, mostly in the middle and upper 20s. But then we're looking at middle 30s on Tuesday, 35 degrees. Our next chance of snow, scattered light snow showers it looks like for Wednesday and Thursday. 30s and 20s for highs, then getting colder but sunnier again as we head into next weekend.